Is chocolate a fermented food? The answer is yes. Chocolate's signature taste and health perks stem from a complex fermentation process. Let us explore how yeasts and bacteria transform cacao beans into delicious chocolate. Chocolate is universally beloved, yet many aficionados overlook a crucial fact. Chocolate is, at its heart, a fermented food. From ancient Mesoamerican rituals to modern bean-to-bar artisan workshops, fermentation serves as the foundational step that converts bitter cacao seeds into a symphony of flavors. By the end of this video, you'll understand why fermentation matters, how it shapes chocolate's aroma and texture, the health benefits it imparts, and how to identify genuinely fermented chocolate products. Whether you're a home chocolatier, health-conscious consumer, or simply curious about food science, this deep dive addresses the pivotal question: is chocolate a fermented food? Now let's learn about fermentation. Fermentation is a biological process in which microorganisms, such as yeasts, bacteria, and sometimes molds, consume sugars and other compounds in food, producing metabolites like acids, alcohols, and gases. These byproducts enhance flavor complexity, improve texture, increase shelf life, and can boost nutritional value. While fermentation is widely associated with foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha, it also underpins the production of chocolate. During cacao bean curing, naturally occurring microbes break down the sweet pulp that surrounds the beans, triggering chemical reactions that generate hundreds of unique flavor compounds. Let us explore the chocolate production journey from pod to bar. Step 1. Harvesting and pod. Opening ripe cacao pods grow directly on the trunk of Theobroma cacao trees. Harvesters use machetes to crack the pods, revealing a cluster of white mucilaginous pulp enveloping the cacao beans. Step 2. Controlled fermentation. Beans and pulp are heaped into wooden boxes, banana leaves, or perforated containers to initiate fermentation. Over a period of 3 to 10 days, environmental yeasts initiate alcoholic fermentation by converting pulp sugars into ethanol. Lactic acid bacteria then produce lactic acid, and acetic acid bacteria transform ethanol into acetic acid. This microbial succession raises temperatures to 45 to 50 degrees, facilitating enzyme-driven breakdown of bean proteins and carbohydrates into flavor precursors. Step 3. Flavor development. Heat, acids, and enzymes permeate the beans, converting bitter tannins into sweeter, fruitier molecules. Key aroma compounds such as pyrazines, nutty notes, esters, fruity notes, and aldehydes, floral notes, form during this stage. Step 4. Drying and roasting. Fermented beans are sun-dried to reduce moisture to around 7%. Roasting at controlled temperatures, 120-160 Dranadiki, further develops Maillard reaction products, deepening chocolate's flavor profile. Step 5. Conching and refining ground beans become chocolate liquor, which is refined with sugar and sometimes milk powder. Conching smooths texture and rounds off harsh notes, resulting in the velvety mouthfeel chocolate lovers crave. This multi-step transformation from bitter seed to luxurious bar relies on fermentation as the linchpin of flavor and quality. Let us see the microbial cast in chocolate fermentation. Chocolate fermentation involves a dynamic cast of microorganisms. Yeasts, such as Saccharomyces, Hansenia spora, kick off fermentation by feeding on pulp sugars, producing ethanol and carbon dioxide during the first 24-48 hours. Lactic acid bacteria like lactobacillus follow, converting sugars and some ethanol into lactic acid, contributing mild acidity and sweetness. Acetic acid bacteria like Acetobacter oxidize ethanol into acetic acid, which deepens acidity and raises bean temperature. Research labs around the globe, from Peru to Belgium, are isolating and characterizing these microbes to optimize fermentation parameters, control off flavors, and engineer bespoke flavor profiles for chocolate with precision. While unfermented cacao retains more intrinsic nutrients and enzymes, its astringent taste limits its use in classic chocolate making. Fermented cacao's sensory appeal and enriched antioxidant bioactivity make it the gold standard for premium chocolate creations. What are the health benefits of fermented chocolate? Fermentation enhances chocolate's health-promoting properties in several ways. Number 1, increased antioxidant absorption. Fermentation breaks down complex polyphenols into simpler compounds that the body can more readily absorb, helping neutralize free radicals and support cardiovascular health. Number 2, prebiotic and gut health effects. Certain fermentation byproducts serve as prebiotics, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and potentially improving digestion, immune response, and overall gut barrier function. Number 3, reduced anti-nutrients. Fermentation lowers phytic acid levels, which can inhibit mineral absorption. This makes essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron more bioavailable in fermented chocolate. Number 4, mood and cognitive benefits. Flavonoids produced during fermentation have been linked to enhanced blood flow and improved cognitive function, offering a neuroprotective effect during aging. Although raw, unfermented cacao maximizes some nutrients, fermented chocolate delivers a balanced package of taste and functional benefits that align with both culinary and wellness goals. Let's know how to identify fermented chocolate. Given the premium on fermentation, here's how to choose authentic fermented chocolate. Look for bean to bar branding, which often signifies that the producer oversees fermentation, drying, and manufacturing. Check for flavor descriptors on packaging. Notes like berry, wine, or roasted nut point to a well-executed fermentation. Seek transparency. Producers who share fermentation duration, microbial starter cultures of farm origin usually emphasize quality. Certifications such as Rainforest Alliance, Fair Trade, or Organic may include fermentation best practices in their audit criteria. Tasting. Genuine fermented chocolate melts cleanly on the tongue without pronounced sour or off flavors, signs of under or over fermentation.